Howdy, fine folk. This is Hitchhiking Console, your guide to the road. I'm here just outside of Morgantown, West Virginia, and today you get to see a blessed exception to the rule. You know, most of the time I'm hitchhiking, I gotta stay real close to the interstate, make sure I have a way in and out of a town. But today I was blessed to find that there's a state park and nature reserve just a couple of miles from the interstate off-ramp and that pilot station where I was staying. So instead of hearing the low thrumming of diesel engines all night, I'll get to hear the sounds of the crickets and of the peeping frogs and maybe even some nocturnal birds. This is really good. It does my heart so right. Something as simple as breathing fresh, clean air. Something as simple as not being assaulted by fluorescent light. Something as simple as seeing those two white-tailed deer not even 20 feet from us. Something as simple for someone like me as getting to step on real, actual soil that's alive and rich instead of stepping on heavy metal and asphalt. It's good for the soul. My campsite's right up here. I'm gonna set you down and pick you back up there. Thank y'all for watching, and I will catch you down the road a piece.